Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 14. We have 7 days left of our intention setting. And today I was reflecting on my original intentions. I have three of them. And the thing that I wanted to put into your mind today about intention setting is the idea about you might have the intention that you're setting, but you might also have the behavior that you actually exhibit when you're trying to accomplish something. And other behaviors that you're thinking might have to do with whether you can reach the goals that you set out for. Um, and what some of those behaviors you might want to look at and change. So, personally, what I'm looking at right now is how I approach things, how I work on things, what I bring to the things that I want, and the things that I want in my life to manifest. So one of the things I think about a lot is sometimes we start setting intentions because we have a lot of fear, or we think about we want all these things and we want them now, and we want our life to be a certain way right now. And there is this way of how do we approach our intentions that is actually about being able to accomplish them and stay in balance, mind, body, spirit with them. So this is a little bit of a hard thing to verbalize, but let me give it a shot. So it might be that in order for you to be able to accomplish and achieve your intentions, or set an intention that's positive, is that it has to be in full balance of your own spirit and your own energy. It can't be something that takes you out of balance. It can't be something that you stress for or pressure yourself to do, or push. Intentions, positive intentions, gratitudes, we don't like push for them. We don't effort for them. We try to get into a sort of detached state, stepping back state, allowing state to be able to really let things come into what I call like being in the flow. And I think sometimes the reason why gratitude practices and intention setting practices really work is because the desire of the person is to be more in the flow of life, in the balance of life, to notice the positive things, the ease in life, um, to come from a place of confidence and a relaxed state. That is a part of intention setting and gratitude practices. That is a part of it. So that's my focus today, is to come into practice of new ways of approaching things that help me feel um, that all around me is an energy that I can just tap into. And in tapping into more positive energy, more abundance energy, brings more to me in that way. And it's a hard practice sometimes to do because we have to get out of sort of the masculine way that that things work in this society, where we're pressing and pushing and accomplishing and attaining, to allowing and knowing and being grateful and in the flow of life, and allowing sort of the timing of things, and the way things come to us. And so I am really practicing today just that, giving permission to the other energies in my life and all around me that I'm going to focus on, that isn't efforting energies, but knowing energies, confident energies. So I hope that makes a lot of sense to you. If it did, tag me, let me know how you interpreted that. Because I always like the way people play back the information that I give them. And I see how they sort of try it on and make it fit for them and relate to the material. So if you want to do that, I'd love that. And I'll give you sort of a message back that I heard you. So good luck and enjoy the day.